Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you in how you can find your master key on Ari Wallet application. So this is a step-by-step guide in case you forgot it. So to do that, or the very first thing that you're going to do is to go and open your Ari Wallet. And then you just have to tap on these three lines, and once you tap on that, you just have to click on the settings. Now just tap on this one and then click on the view master key at the top right beside this one. And to view your master key, you have to type in your password. So obviously you just have to type in your password right here, and then you just tap on OK or next, and then you will be able to view your master key, and it will be revealed to you. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!